If you want to make thumbnails like this, start by taking one thumbnail first. Use ChatGPT to extract the prompt from the background of that thumbnail by writing this text. Copy the prompt part and paste it into ChatGPT, but make sure to include a short image generation description before the prompt. Then, use the same prompt in Google Gemini. Now our background is ready. Next, again use ChatGPT to extract the man's prompt from the old thumbnail in the same way. Now, take your own photo and give it to Gemini with the newly generated prompt. The resulting image can then be face swapped using Google's Face Swap tool. Done, your model is created. To change the background, first tell Gemini to do it. Use Instant Cutout to remove the white background. Then, for the new background, use Gemini's background once and ChatGPT's background once. That's it, our thumbnail is ready.